So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Guys, welcome back to the another session conducted by Olymptrade. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good and everything is going fine on your side, and of course your trading is going fine. And of course, like one more thing, that you guys are ready and excited to learn a new strategy which we are going to talk about today. You might have already checked the name of the strategy. The name of the strategy is Japanese trend. How we can apply it, how to use it. Apart from that, money management, risk management, trading psychology, trading with discipline. We will be covering these some important topics also. But before coming to that part, guys, just want to tell you one thing, that comment section is already open for you guys. So if you will be having any doubt, any question, any queries, you feel free to write over there. I'll be taking care of all your concerns. MK Gaming Ji, hello, how are you? And sir, guys, confirm me one more thing, if my audio and my video is clear. Please confirm me in the beginning of the session. So if anything is required to be fixed, of course I'll be taking care of that one. We will hardly wait for 2 more minutes and then we will kick off the session. So Japanese trend, name of the strategy is going to be, which we are going to discuss, and apart from that, of course, your doubts, your question, your queries are most welcome. It's a starter level strategy, but it's a very beautiful strategy because it's very easy to use. Most of the time, like when I'm having conversations with my traders, so they are used to say that, sir, you are always talking about advanced level strategies or expert level strategies, but there are a couple of strategies which you haven't covered in the past, like more frequently. So this is one of the strategy from the starter level, very easy to use. So we will be talking about that thing. But before coming to that, guys, again I'm requesting you, please confirm in the comment section if audio and video is clear so I can fix it. Otherwise we will proceed further. Just a quick 1 more minute wait, and then we will kick off the session. Until that, if any of my friend, any of the viewer, they has used this strategy, just let me know, like how was the experience, whether that was useful, whether that was easy to use, like how was the result which they managed to make with that. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you. I know, like so many things, I am just keep on saying that one more, but there is a lot of information. But the thing which I want to tell you, that see, all the technical tool and strategies, these are based on some mathematical calculations. So there are no such strategies which will be promising that there will be 100% accuracy. Considering that thing, always focus on your money management, risk management also, because these are the things which can differentiate a trader and a successful trader. I lost Asia index. What is the trend? Kamran Mirza ji, can you just please explain, like what's your question? Like you face some losses in Asia composite index. What exactly you want to ask, and which strategy, which technical tool you have used to take some trades? So guys, as I can see that so many traders have already joined, so without wasting any time, let's kick off the session. Welcome back, welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. So Olymptrade is used to line up some sessions to help their traders in their trading concerns. So this is one of them. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel to be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us. If you are comfortable with English, every Wednesday and Friday 6:30 to 7:30 there is going to be a technical session. And if you want to learn about the market updates also, so on every Monday 6:30 to 7, it's just a 30-minute time window, Indian Standard Time, we are also conducting a session over the market overview. So you can join us at that time also as well. And if you want to have sessions in Hindi on the same channel, every Tuesday and Thursday 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it, and check all the sessions which you want to, and learn to improve your skills, because I always say, if you want to earn, then you have to learn first. So let's kick off. So guys, the screen which is visible to you guys, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that some of my traders, they are using the mobile application or browser, so the interface might be different. But one thing I can assure you, that all the technical tools, all the features, everything is available to each one of you. The location can be here and there, the buttons availability, but everything is available. So as you can see that there is a tower with 3 buttons. The last one is known as the technical analysis. Once I'll click on that one, my friend, those who are using the mobile application, so the same button is going to be available somewhere on the top. On the top, they will be able to see their account balance. Just below that, the name of the asset, and just right to that. The same shape is similar to alphabet A. So just click on that one. In the first couple of strategies, you can see that there is a strategy named Japanese trend. So this single line, this blue line, it's indicating that this is a starter level strategy. It's used on FTT. Guys, please focus on my screen. So currently you can see that the Japanese candle is there and 1 minute chart frame is there. I'm not changing it. I'll just click on the strategy. There is going to be a small introduction video. For now, you do not need to spend time on that one. I'll be explaining that, but in future, in case if you want to revise something, of course you can. You are most welcome to check. So see, 1 minute chart time frame, Japanese candle. Once I'll click on enable strategy, so we can see that the candle pattern, that is now Heikin-Ashi, and the second change is the time frame has been changed by the system itself. So that is now 5 minute. So this strategy you can use for the 1 minute chart time frame also, but of course see, the bigger time frame is there because it's a starter level strategy. So we always focus that the bigger the time frame, the less risky it is going to be. So considering that thing, when you apply it, it will opt up a time frame of 5 minutes, but if you want to use it on 1 minute, you can use it. That is completely fine. The usage or the way it is obtaining the signal, this strategy is generating the signal, that is going to be same. All you just need to follow the same scenario, same set of rule. Only the different is going to be the chart time frame and the trade time frame. Guys, I can see that there are no comments in the comment section. So guys, small request, comment section is for you guys. If you will be having any doubt, any question, any query, feel free to write over there. And also guys, confirm me that from where you have joined the session, so like I can check that till where people are connected with me. So just tell me the part of the country or the part of the state from where you have joined the session. So that will be very exciting for me, that I will be able to understand that I have connected my voice till that far. So that is always fascinating for me. So let's make it a bit more interactive. Let's put some comments, spam it, like let's talk about something, or your trading experience if you want to talk about, or if any doubt is there. So feel free to. And Kamranji, I am waiting for your comment, as you mentioned something, but I'm sorry, I was not able to understand. So please explain it. Okay guys, sorry. So let's talk about the strategy. So guys, in this strategy you are going to get confirmation from two different things. First is the formation of these candles. The best part, the beauty of the Heikin-Ashi candle is the color of the candle also states the market scenario, or what can be there in the market, in the upcoming market. What I mean to say, that if the red candles are there, so they are stating that the market can go into the downward side, and the green color is stating that market can go into the upward side. Of course that is same in the Japanese also, but in Heikin-Ashi candle, color of the candle is also a confirmation. It is stating that which side the market can prevail. So first confirmation we will be getting from the color of the candles. If green upward, if red downward, it's very easy to understand, guys. Now the second confirmation, as you might be able to see that there are a couple of more lines, like there are 3 levels, 70, 50, 30, and then there is a blue line which is revolving or keep on moving inside this bucket or outside. So that is keep on moving. So what is the meaning of that one? Let's talk about that. So this is what we call RSI. RSI has 3 levels, 70, 50 and 30. So 70, which we call the overbought zone, 30 we call oversold, and 50 is the mid level. So if you want to memorize it, so overbought ending with the T, so the top line is overbought zone. The second one is oversold. Just a minute. So the second one is oversold, the bottom one, the 30th level. So that is known as a oversold. So ending with the D, so that is the down. You can this is the simplest way to memorize the thing. So overbought ending with the T, the top one, oversold ending with the D, so the down one. So this is how you can memorize it. Or in case if you are not able to memorize the name of the these lines, let it be. All you just need to confirm one thing, understand one thing, that whenever this RSI is intersecting any of these two lines, first we will be focusing on these two, then I'll teach you about this line also. So whenever there will be any crossover between these lines, so if you will find that this line intersected and enter into this zone which is above the 70 line or which is below the 30 line, so at that time the market is in a zone when that specific asset is in the situation of overbought or oversold. So at that time we predict or we analyze or we found that the market try to cover itself, try to recover the prices to stay into the stable market. So at that time you will be finding that the market will try to come downward or try to move upward. So whenever there is a crossover already done and the this RSI blue line is outside of this window, so once there will be a re-entry to this light gray session by this blue line, either it is from upward or from downward, there is going to be a signal. I'll repeat again. So once the market is already in overbought or in oversold, so market will try to recover itself, market will try to cover the prices, or market will try to get it stabilized. So at that time whenever there is going to be a crossover of this blue line with this green or this blue line with this red line, and market is, this RSI is trying to come up in this light gray session, this light gray zone, there will be a confirmation from the RSI itself that market can prevail into that specific direction. So if that intersection is from the upward to downward, so downward trend, if downward to upward, then upward trend. So the same we can find in the back testing also. So see at the just parallel to this point, first confirmation we got from the color of the candle, second confirmation we got from the RSI itself. So market come back from the overbought zone. So at that time there was a opportunity, there was a possibility to open a trade for 2 to 3 candles to make a profit, to take a trade. So this is how you can use it with the overbought and oversold zone. Once you will be having a hold on this these two level, again you can use this level also to increase the number of trade or to increase the number of signals. So whenever there is going to be an intersection between this blue line and this 50 baseline, so if it's upward direction, upward market, downward direction, downward market, the same you can find in the chart itself. So right now we have applied the chart time frame for 1 minute. So why I have sent the trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candles. Why? Because 1 minute chart time frame means 2 to 3 candles means 2 to 3 minute trade. If I'll change the chart time frame from 1 to 5, then it should be 10 to 15 minutes. That is the reason that I am never stating the time in the minutes or something like that. I am always talking in the form of candles. So that is more easy to understand, and there will be no such confusion that when I applied the strategy, so there was a time frame of 5 minutes on the chart, but Kunal said that I should be taking a trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then I'll be taking a trade on that one, and then I might face some negative results, and you will find that no, this strategy is not for you. No guys. So considering that thing, always focus whatever is your trade time frame, chart time frame, you should consider your trade time frame as per your chart. Hello Devinder ji, I hope you are doing good. So guys, so far if any doubt is there, any question is there, feel free to put in the comment section. Of course I'll be happy to talk about that, and in the meantime, as I have already requested, just let me know that from where you have joined, so that session will be more interactive, and that will be more fascinating for me, that I'll be able to understand that, because I still remember last to last session. So there was a trader, so he joined from Dubai, and there were a couple of traders, those who have joined from different part of India. So that was very fascinating for me, that people are hearing my voice from that far, and I am connecting with them, and I am trying to help them, and I believe so far I have tried my best and they got some help also. So please let me know, like, if you Big Short ji, for sure we will be doing some trade. Okay, so Devinder ji from Rajasthan, I believe Devinder ji, we had a conversation yesterday also. I tried to call you, right? Big Short ji, of course, we will be taking trades. So far, guys, if you have any doubt, feel free to write in the comment section. If not, then of course we will be proceeding ahead. So what we will be doing, we will be doing some live trading, live actions. But before coming to that, guys, couple of more required information, essential information. Guys, see, this is a financial market. It's full of risk. So there is a possibility of partial and fully loss. So considering that thing, whenever you are taking any trade, or whenever you are trading in the market, make sure you practice your technical tools, you practice your strategies, you learn everything just to avoid the negative. First thing. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken, I am going to take in future. Everything is depending on my set of skills, and whatever I have learned so far, everything is depending on my skills. I am responsible for that. And third, and the major thing, even though, guys, this session is live, we are talking live, but there is a time gap which we consider as a telecast gap, which lies somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So that can lead to a negative trade, negative results if you will be trying to do some copy trading. So please consider that thing, avoid copy trading. In the meantime, if you will be able to find any signals, anything there in the on the charts, make sure you drop in the comment section. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your comments. So guys, if you will be finding any difficulties, just drop in the comment section. I'll be taking trade on your behalf. Of course, I am not going to share my profit. This is something which I am very bad at, but at least you will be getting some information. You will be understanding that whether you able to understand the strategy or not. Big Short ji, I am so sorry, but I'll suggest do not copy, because there is going to be a telecast gap which can lead to a negative result. Just learn the strategy. It's very easy. It's very easy to use. Once you will be having a hold on that one, practice for a couple of trades on demo, and after that you can take it to the live. So let's start. Let's kick off the that active session, that action which we some of my friends, they have been waiting for. So let's start shuffling the cards. Let's start shuffling the assets and look forward for a signal. Let's see how the market is going on. So there was a signal, but we have already missed it. Almost 2 minutes already gone, so I'll not be taking a trade on that one. Let's look for more. One trade is already in the process. Let's see if we are able to open any more positions. And guys, see one more thing. This trade, I feel that is going to be in the negative, because the mistake here which I have done, I haven't considered the support or resistance level. And guys, you can see that the market was trying to cross it, not able to. Market jumped in the upward direction, and market is in a peak. It's in a bullish trend, but no worries, we will try to recover it. Let me open a couple of more assets. So all the assets which are having 80 or more than 80% profitability, or we will consider 82% for now, and we will open all the assets and we will keep on shuffling them. It's not like that you can use only on these specific assets, you can use on any of them. Yes, sir. But CPI data, can you trade for us? Which market good for us? Okay, market is volatile because of USA CPI reports. So much data is time to time floating into the market, so there is a volatility also. And sometime because during this time, especially which is 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time, there is a bit more volatility because US market is about to open, and at that time I believe that the volatility is a bit high. But no worries, we will try to work on it. Big Short ji, answering to your question, so see, market is working in three different time zones, or three different zones. The first one is Asian, the second one is European, which is opening up somewhere around 3 p.m. Indian Standard, and then the US market, which is opening up at 7 p.m. So each market is having their own beauty, they have their own targets, they have their own risk, they have their own different points which we need to consider before taking trade. Okay, Big Shot ji, so if you are from Pakistan, so you can just deduct 30 minutes more from the time which I am keep on stating. So I am talking about in the Indian Standard Time, so you can consider 30-minute prior window. Yeah, yes sir, you're from the Asian. So if I'll talk about that one, so I believe that the Asian market and European is a bit more favorable as compared to the US, but it's not like that in the US market you will not be able to make profit. I have seen so many traders that they are able to make a lot of profit, but I am talking about my experience because my majority of trading is a bit in the first two sessions. So because I am trading somewhere starting my trading time, trading day somewhere around 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and I just wind up before 5 or max to max 5:30. Because why I am not entering into the US market? First reason, volatility is there. Second reason, I am already done with my target, so I do not need to. I always avoid to do over trading, so I do not need to enter into that time zone. Big Short ji, I am so sorry, I will not be able to talk in Hindi because this is an English session, but if you are more comfortable in Hindi sessions, the best I'll suggest on the same channel every Tuesday and Thursday 3:30 to 4:30 Pakistan time we are coming live and we are talking in Hindi. What is right time to trade in IST time zone? Devinder ji, I am talking about the same. So if I'll talk about my trading experience, the majority of trading I am doing that is in the Asian and European. Because sometime I have found that if any strategy is working good on a 2-minute time zone or on a 2 candle trade, if I am trading in Asian, I am starting my day in Asian and I am able to make profit. So in this second zone, like from Asian to European, I can carry forward the same time zone. But sometime when I am entering into the US market, sometime I need to make some changes. And I am sure you might have already notice that thing, like in some of my previous sessions, sometime when we are trading with the same time frame, I am facing some losses and I am just changing the time frame of the trade and we are able to make profit. So that is the only challenge, that is the only difference it makes, or that is the only thing which you need to do. It's not like that you have to make some rocket size calculation. All you just need to make some changes in the trade time frame. That's it. Okay, so let's look forward for some signals. Let's see if we can find something. So there was a signal which we have already missed, that was based on the middle level. No worries. Okay, so there is one trade which we have already taken on the basis of mid level. Let's see if that trade goes positive or not. Okay, let's look for more. Guys, I can see that there are no recommendations from you guys, like on which assets, which specific trend can be, or how the market can react, or if you have found any signal so far, just let me know, guys. I'll be taking trade on your behalf, and of course I'll be the one who will be enjoying the profit, but at least you will be getting some information. And guys, one more thing, I'm keep on opening back-to-back positions, back-to-back trades, because I want to give you max to max examples, max to max visibility of that strategy, but there are no such compulsion on you. Considering that thing, whenever you will be trading, consider one thing: take one trade, wait for the result. Once that result is executed, whether that is positive or negative, after that you will be calculating your risk management or your money management, and then you will be coming to a conclusion that what should be your next invested amount. So no need to open back-to-back position. Open one position, wait for the result, then move to the other. Big Short ji, I heard sometime people get issues while withdrawal. Big Short ji, there is nothing like that. You can withdraw your funds. That is completely fine. The standard time frame for the withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. 90 to 95% of requests are processed within 24 hours. But in case if anything is taking time, support team is already there. So of course they would love to help you in that. So feel free to. Big Short ji, see why I am trading small. Very nice question. As I have already talked about the risk management and money management. See, I have a very nice handsome amount in my trading account. I can trade with 1000 or 2000 also. if I'll be taking a trade for 1000, a single trade, and if that will go negative, of course I'll be having a lot of money in my account still pending, which can help me to recover it. But there is one more thing, my trading psychology, that is going to be affected a lot. Now see, if I'll be facing a loss of $1000 and with the $10 trade, it will take a lot of time to recover, and that will also create a pressure on me. So that is something which is leading to over trading, and that is something which I have found that most of the traders are struggling with. So considering that thing, always start with the small amount. You can keep on increasing it with the help of money management, but I'll not suggest to take a trade with a very big amount, which can affect your trading psychology, which can affect your portfolio. So that is the reason that I am trading with a very small amount, which is $10 only. If we will be able to make some profit, then of course I'll be taking some more trades. Okay, so we make a profit of 17. 2 of our trades went into the negative side. No worries. So this is the previous one, this is the first 10-minute trade. Let's see this one, why this one was a negative. Let's see it. Okay, so this trade, okay, so we have entered the market in a bit late. So guys, see, if we would have opened this trade during this candle, so there was a positive result, there was a short positive result, but we were late, and as a result we can see that there was a negative result in front of us. So consider that thing also, guys. The fresh the signal, the better it can lead to a result, because see, the older the signal, that can also lead to a negative results, and that is in front of you guys. We are also facing negative results. It's not like that we have been trading in the market from a very long time, we are the financial experts, so we are not facing any negative results. We are also facing, but all we just need to take care about the trading discipline, the trading psychology, and of course we will be able to make some profits. So considering that thing, considering that part of the trading, whenever you will be finding that the signal is a little old or a bit old, drop it, because so many signals are going to be formed. If I'll just zoom out, and we can see that, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so in that much time window there was almost 7 signals, and that is only on one asset. So do not run for something like that, I have missed the signal, let me try it, because see, sometime what you will find, that if you were supposed to open a trade at this level or any of this level, and you managed to open a trade at this level, and this candle was supposed to close somewhere around this, so of course that was supposed to be a negative. So what I am trying to say, fresher the signal, better it can lead to. But again, no surety from this strategy that there will be a positive. All we can try to focus on the signals, and we can try to get a hold of that. That's it. Difference between Japanese and Heikin-Ashi candle. Okay, so Devendra ji, I'll just give you a quick view of that one. See, let me show you with an example. So guys, as you can see that, I'll just quickly talk about the formation of the Japanese candle and then Heikin-Ashi candle. So the Japanese candle, the next candle, very next candle is opening up from the previous wherever the market, the previous candle closed. So like if this candle closed at this level, so the next will be opening at somewhere around this or just nearby this one. But the Heikin-Ashi one will always open from the middle of the previous candle. It will always open from the middle of the previous candle. That is the reason that the Heikin-Ashi candle will not be giving you a better idea about the support and resistance, but that is a reason that it is also giving you an idea with the help of the color that what can be the market trend. I'll just show you example. So let me just make it a bit smaller time frame. So let's make it a 10-second candle. So see, the very next candle you will be able to see that that will be opening up from the very middle of this specific candle. So it's one. Okay, so see, the price started from here, but the candle open from this level. Again, this very next candle will be somewhere from this. See, So this is a difference between the Heiken Ashi, only just the formation, nothing much. The prices, everything is the same, only the visualization is a little bit different, rest everything is exactly same. Okay, so let's see if we have any more questions. Let me look for more signals. Okay. How to check emotions, sir? How to check emotions or how to control emotions? Please confirm with that one. Okay. Let me see. Okay, Devendraji, please clarify your doubt, clarify your comment. Till that, I will start, try to look. Okay, so this trade was also positive. Let me look for more signals. Let's see. Okay. Niteshji, if I'll talk about that, for how long we should trade in the market, so I'll suggest come up with a target, achieve it, and then leave for the day. And max to max, if you are not sure about that, what should be your target and how you should calculate it, then max to max you should trade in two trading sessions, like Indian, Asian, and European or US or India. Because see, if you will be able to spend a lot of time, or if you are spending a lot of time, so there is a term which we call analysis paralysis. What does it mean? So when we are keep on focusing on one thing from for a very long time, so you will not be able to understand the thing, and your mind will start making some assumptions that it happened somewhere like 20 candles or 30 candles or 50 candles before ago. So that can be the same scenario, or the signal is about to be there, or signal can be there, or we will start trading on the assumptions, and that can lead to the negative results, because the mind is in a zone that where the charts are not being properly what we call analyzed or properly calculated. So I'll suggest come up with a target, hit the target, leave the market for the day, come back again next day and start working on that one. If you are not sure that how to calculate your targets, just drop me a message. Devendraji, I'm so sorry, today there is no quiz, but of course we as I can see that some of our traders they were asking yesterday also, so we will be considering that again in coming future sessions, and hopefully we will be coming up with more. What is your method for the emotion control? Sir, the best which I am following is, I consider one thing, or I believe in one thing, that trading is a marathon. If you will keep on running slowly and gradually, you will be able to succeed one day. But if you will try to make a sprint and you will try to make a very big amount in a single trade, that can lead you to some exhaustion. I mean to say that can lead to a balance which can be a zero. So rather than making this a round figure of 29,000 or 30,000, I will make it a zero round figure which is only zero. So I always consider trading is a marathon. Try to do it slowly, gradually, with a discipline. You will be able to make profits. Second thing, if my 3 trades are not positive in a specific asset, there is a possibility that there is something, there is a news, there is a market updates on that specific asset which is leading to negative results, and I am not aware about that one. So the best is stay calm, take a break, come back after couple of minutes. Again I will try from the start, I will try from the scratch, and again I will start from the smallest amount which I want to invest, and then again I will try. If again 3 trades are negative, again I'll be taking a trade, break. Third thing, if my small amount trades are going negative, then what is the surety that my big amount trade is going to be in the positive side? Like what I have seen, what I have observed, even today I was talking to a trader, so I have found that slowly and gradually he was keep on increasing the amount. That is completely fine, but when he was facing some losses, he started taking some aggressive trades with a very big amount which was not even near to the martingale also. So guys, understand, if my $1 trade is going into the negative side, then there is no surety that that $100 will be going into the positive side. So considering that thing, always stay calm, try to grab a hold on market first, and that you can do on demo also. No need to spend your real money on the trading on the live account. Use your demo account first, get a hold on that one, and after that you can switch to the live. But in case if you feel that no Kunal, that is not my piece of cake, or that is not something which I am fascinated about, and I am more into, mean to say that you always try to trade on the live account, okay, don't take a trade for $10 or $100, take a trade with $1. Because see guys, two major conditions to make profit in the market. First one, you should have a hold on your market. Second one, you should have funds in your account. If any of one of them is missing, I can assure you, you will not be able to make profit. Because if market is not your favor, that 28,000 will not take much of, too much time to become zero. And if market is in your favor but you do not have funds in your account, then you can't do anything. So considering that thing, always use your risk management, money management, try to get a hold on your amount first. After that you will be able to make profit. Okay, so I took this trade with the help of the support resistance, and the trade is going into the negative side because there is okay, so the resistance level overcome, so the market is in the upward direction. No worries. Okay, we will be taking a big trade with the $50, but I have applied the RFT, risk free trade, because I can see that there is a volatility in the market. So considering that thing, I'll be applying a risk free trade. Guys, if you are not aware about the risk free trade, so the best part of the risk free trade is whenever you are taking a trade with after applying it, so if the trade is going into the positive side, of course you will be able to enjoy the profit. But in case if the trade is in a negative side, you will not be facing the deduction of the amount. So you will be getting the refund of the same. So that is the best part. If you want to get some risk free trade, every now and then we are conducting some webinars where we are conducting some quiz. So be part of that, be regular in our sessions, and I'm sure that Monday you will be able to be part of that, and you will be able to get some risk free trade. And apart from that, of course, you can get them on your traders. The more better trades you will get, you will be getting some experience points. This experience point will help you to move ahead on your traders wave, which is somewhere around this at this place. So that can help you to get some risk free trade also. I have applied a $50 risk free trade. I am looking for a signal, right time frame of trades. Devinder ji, as I have already talked about it, so the best time frame is as per your chart time frame. So for this strategy, it is going to be 2 to 3 candles. Let me see if any signal is there. So there is a signal being formed. So 12 seconds to go. If this crossover will be completed, I'll be taking a trade in a downward direction. So yesterday this strategy worked very well. We managed to make so many trades, positive trades, but today it's not working that good, but it's fine, because every day is not a Christmas, guys. Every day is not a Diwali, it's not a Eid. So of course every day is not going to be a profit. Sometime you will be facing some negative results. So that is a part of trading, that is a part of life of a trader. Okay, let's look for more signals. Let's keep on shuffling, keep on looking for the data. Okay, so there was a okay, CPI data was negative, so there was a big candle in the red formation. Okay, no worries. Let's look for more. And guys, till the time we are looking for some signals, and as I am not getting any recommendations from my traders, so if you will be finding any signal, just drop me a comment. I'll be taking trade on your behalf. Otherwise, of course, I'm keep on shuffling my cards. But in the meantime, I just want to tell you a couple of more things, like which can help you to improve your trading skills, which can help you to improve the accuracy of your strategies. And this is not only about this specific strategy, any strategy. That is something which can be generalized, which can be applied on all the strategies. So there are 3 more conditions which you can always consider. The first one, so it's already Japanese candle, so I'll be talking about the Japanese, or let me make it high Kanaishi first. See guys, the first one, the formation of the candle. The bigger the body, that is specifically based on the Japanese candle. So the bigger the body, the smaller the wick, the better can be the trend of that market. So if you find some candles like this body or like this one, so you can't rely on that one. So when you are going to open a trade and you see the last candle formation, so the bigger the body, the smaller the wick, the better can be the trend. So consider that thing. Second thing, always trade in a trending market. There is a quote we always say that trend is your friend. Rukavi ji, it's been almost 5.5 years, or almost I'm about to complete 6 years that I have been trading. So this is the so far my experience. Second thing, market is always moving in three different direction: upward, downward, and sideways. Always trade in a trending market. I mean to say that whether either the market is moving into the upward side or in the downward side. Never ever trade in a consolidation market. How does consolidation looks like? Something like this. Small body candles, and the market is keep on moving in a sideways trend. Or you can find that red candles, green, 2 red, 3 green, 1 red, 3 green. So that is something which can be considered as a consolidation. Let me give you a bit more examples, so that is very easy to understand. Okay, let's see. This is something like this is what we call consolidation market. So always consider that thing also. Third, which can be used as a strategy also, which we call it as a price action. Price action. So in market always there are two levels. The first one is the resistance level, which is the highest level where the market is keep on trying to touch and trying to cross over it, but market is not able to, and market is bouncing back. So if I'll just give you a roughly example, so here we can consider this level as the resistance level, and the support level is the bottom level where the market is trying to move in the downward direction, while market is trying to move in a downward direction but not able to cross that specific level. So if I'll consider this time, so this can be a good level of support, and so this is a good support level. So the more frequently the market will try to cross over that level and market is bouncing back, the stronger that level is. So always consider that if the market is in any of that specific time zone when there is a support level or a resistance level, and even though there is a signal from the strategy, try to avoid that signal. And in case if that specific level is already crossover, then you can opt your signal plus that support resistance level also, because that is something which you can opt on your indexes, and only with the help of support resistance. Guys, I'm repeating myself, only with the help of support resistance. If you have a good hold on that support resistance part, on that price action part, I can assure you, you will be able to make handsome profit. But again, there is a condition that that has to be well practiced. It's not like that, sir, I know how to use it and I am keep on trading on that one, but I am not able to make profit. You have to spend some time, you have to invest some time, because trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So guys, we managed to book a profit of $50. Let me show you the trade. So how we have taken it, we have taken it on the basis of this crossover, even though after that the market started trying to recover itself and market is moving in the upward direction, but we are only considering these three candles. We opened a level at this level, and 2-minute trade, that was short success. So whatever we have lost so far, everything is recovered. Now let's move to the next trade. Let's look for some more. Okay, so here we can see that the market is trying to change the directions, and green candle is there. We have opened another trade for $10, because see, from over sold zone, market is trying to come up into this light green. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so there is a comment. I took the trade and got it. Thank you, Rukavi Al Raisi ji. I'm glad that you able to make a profit, but sir, I request you, I'll suggest you to avoid copy trading, because if that can lead to a negative result, that will be something which will be very hurting for me, because this is not something which I'll suggest. Please learn the strategy first, and of course after that you will be able to understand everything. And guys, still you have 10 to 15 more minutes, 10 to 12 minutes to go. So if you will be having any doubt, any question, make sure you write down in the comment section. I'll be taking care of those. I'll be clarifying your doubts. Make sure you put your doubts in the comment section. And so far I have seen only Devinder ji's comment that he is from Rajasthan. Guys, from where else everybody is? Let's see. Okay, let's start shuffling the cards again. Very nice. Oh, so many trades. Okay, let me see if any of the signal is there. So guys, okay, yes sir, I'm learning. Very nice sir, good to know, because I always say my traders, earning is there after learning. You have to spend a time, you have to invest time to learn. So invest your time first. I can assure you that the investment of funds will be way better when you will be starting investing time. It will be less, there will be less deposits and there will be more withdrawals. Okay, okay, nice, sir. I'm glad to see that people from Oman, they are able to hear me out. They are getting some help from my side. So this is something which is very fascinating for me, that people from all across the globe, they are able to connect with me and I am trying to help them and they are getting some help. And guys, so far if you have understood the strategy, if you are finding it very nice, if you are finding it that could be your next strategy, just drop some comments. Let me know how this strategy is for you, whether it is easy to understand, whether it is easy to get a hold on. So just let me know, let me have some inputs, some insights from your side. Let me have some feedback, or let me have some feedback about the conversation which we had, the conversation, the information which I have shared with you, whether you liked it, whether you will be joining my future sessions also, or that was quite boring. So just let's make it. I'm Omani and I studied in India, so I know Hindi. Very nice. Great. So sir, if you are comfortable with Hindi, so you can join the Tuesdays and Thursdays sessions also as per the Indian time zone. So that will be at 4 p.m. and the same channel is there. And guys, one more thing, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it, because every now and then whenever we are coming live, you will be able to get a confirmation, you will be getting a hold on us, you will be able to have a conversation with us to work on your trading skills, because that is the main motto of these sessions. Every session is being conducted with that tendency that we will be able to connect with people, we will be able to help them in their trading concerns. So make sure you be part of it, support us so we can support you. So there is a signal which is about to be formed. Crossover is almost done. Green candles are already giving me a confirmation that market can go into the upward side, but once the crossover will be completed, then I'll be taking a trade. Let's see. Very nice. So another trade for $10 is already in the process. Guys, see, there was a signal at this level also. So initially, if you want to start with strategy, just start with the overbought and oversold zone. After that, you can see that I have taken some trades on this level also. Let me see how was the last trade. Okay, so this trade went into the negative side, and that was negative with a very small margin. Let's see. So we have taken a trade in the upward direction, even though candles were in the upward side, but the position which we opened, that was a little bit late. We could have opened the position at this level also, but nothing to worry, no problem, we will be able to recover it, inshallah. Let's see. Okay, let's look for more. So there was a resistance level, so I'll not be taking a trade on this. If there will be a downward trend, if market will not be able to cross over this level, I'll be taking a trade in downward, which is based on the support and resistance only. It's not based on the strategy for now, because the last trade was a negative and we have to recover it. Nothing to worry about. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, so this is the it can take some time, leave it. Let's move to the another one. Guys, so far any question, any doubt, comment section is there. make sure you utilize it to the fullest. Okay, so this trade is already going in a positive side. I'm sure that that will be in a positive. Let's look for more signals. No worries. Okay, no signals. This one, okay, so we can see that 200 XP added, so of course the trade was positive. Let me look for more, and if we will not be able to, at least I'll be able to share you the last trade. So guys, let me give you one small piece of information. So you can see that there is a very big green candle. So the time of these candle formation is exact 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So this is a GBP versus USD. So USD in the back side, GBP in the front side, GBP main, USD the quoted. Now let me show you one more thing. I'll open another asset where USD will be in the front, and they at exact 6 p.m. there will be red candles. See, USD versus JPY. Where is 6 p.m? Here we go. See, I'll show you more. So you might think that I have already checked it. In Euro USD there will be green candles 6 p.m. See this one. Let me show a few more. So if I'll check the USD, let's see USD CAD. I'll tell you the reason for that also, nothing to worry. So USD CAD, this is the 6 p.m. Time, and downward trend, big red candles. The reason behind it, the CPI data floated into the market and the data was negative. So whenever the data is negative, so of course that specific currency will go downward, and that is the reason that you can see that big red candles wherever the USD is in front, and big green candles where USD in the backward side. So it's a direct correlation. If the data is red, there will be red candles. If data is green, there will be green candles. But the currency should be in front, then there is going to be a direct relation. If the currency is at the backward side, on the second currency is there, like USD versus CAD, so it is somewhere like CAD versus USD, then there is going to be a opposite reverse reaction. So if the data is green, candles are going to be red. If data is red, candles are going to be green. And how you can check their data, if you want to learn about that one, I'll just give you a quick brief about that one. So there is a website which we call okay dear, thank you. If the time is near, so no worries sir, thank you so much for joining. I'm glad to know that you have joined, and of course Ramadan Mubarak to everyone, and also happy Holi to everyone. Sir, you can if you wish you can leave. Just one small piece of information I just want to share, that there is a website which we call investing.com, so you can explore, you can use that website. So there is a button at the top in the middle with the name of economic calendar. Start exploring that website. You will be able to get a lot of information, all the data, CPI, NFP, PPI, whatever is getting released all across the globe, the major events, economic events, everything is being covered over there. All the data is available there. So make sure you explore that website. For the beginning, you can use 3-star filter. Make sure you change the time zone as per your country time zone, and then you will be able to see that when the data is about to release, and whenever the data is getting released, you will be able to check all the information. And you can use that data, as I have already said, any specific country, whosoever is releasing that data, if the data is a positive green, then you can find a green candles. If the data is a negative, you will be able to find red candles. It also depends that how it is affecting the GDP or affecting the economy. So if the economy is going to be improved, then of course green candles. If economy is going to go in a downward direction, then of course red candles. So don't consider it that the inflation is increasing and you will say that the data was green and the candle was red. Just consider that thing also, that how that data is affecting the economy. If it is helping to boom, then of course the price of that specific currency will increase. If that is going to affect the economy and going to lead it to the downward direction, of course that the data that will make some big red candles. Okay, so the name of the website, I'll repeat myself, that is the investing.com. So far we have taken a couple of trades went into the positive side. Let me show you the last trade which I have taken at this point. So the trade went into the positive side, even though after the market is also going in a upward direction. So guys, so far we have talked about how the Japanese trend strategy works, how to apply it manually. It's very easy. All you just need to use RSI 14 and use the high Nishi candles. How to use it, how the signals are being formed. So for the beginning, you can opt the overbought and oversold zone. After some time, once you have a hold on strategy, you can also opt the middle level. Apart from that, I have talked about one website which is known as the investing.com, from where you can get ample information about the trading market news. And if you want to learn more about that, so of course there is a couple of more options. Like if you want to go extra mile, you want to do some homework, then of course help section, help center and education, these two buttons, a lot of information guys, a lot of information. Make sure you explore them. And again, if you want more ahead, if you want to trade like a pro, you want to learn more, and if you are new to trading, as I was talking about support, resistance, price action, candle patterns, chart patterns, if you want to learn about that one, there is one more website which you can explore, that is the Investopedia. Go to Investopedia, go to the search bar, look for the price action in the starting. After that, you can go for the candle patterns, then chart patterns. So if you will be able to get a hold on these couple of topics, I can assure you that you will be able to make handsome profit. But of course, along with these all technical aspects, fundamental aspects, you should also need to work on your trading psychology, your money management, your risk management, because again I'll be coming to that point, because these fundamental, technical, everything is going to help you in your to grab a hold on the market. But this money management, risk management, that is going to help you to sustain into the market by holding your funds for a longer duration. Because in the beginning of the session, I have said one thing: to make profit in the market, two conditions. First, you should have hold on market. Second, you should have funds in your account. So once you will be able to meet both the conditions, nobody can stop you. Okay, so guys, I can see that there are no more comments, so I believe everything is all clear and you liked the session, you enjoyed the session, you understood the conversation which we had. So thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and to all my friends, Ramadan Mubarak and happy Holi in advance. I wish that this Eid, this Ramadan, this Holi is going to bring a lot of happiness in your family, in your professional life, in your personal life, and everything is going to be so colorful and full of joy. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much for joining. This is your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for today. See you in the next session. And before you close the session, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it. So next time, whenever we will be coming live, so you can join us. Thank you so much again.